Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check or test your controller on Windows 10. So first of all, we need to make sure that you have connected to your controller by wire or wireless. So in this case, I have connected my Delicate controller through Bluetooth. So there is my Delicate controller and it is connected. So after making sure that you have connected your controller to the computer, we can proceed to the next method. And the method is we have to go to this website and then we can check or test our controller. So I'm going to open my browser. I'm going to go to the website. You can also go to google.com and write controller test, and then the first result should be gamepad tester. This one you have to click here. So either way, it should look like this, and currently there is none detected. I'm going to close that tab. It's the same tab. Currently you can see none is detected. So to make our controllers detected, you have to push a button in the controller. So you can see I have currently pushed the buttons and the controllers are working. You can see I'm moving my stick and it is working just fine. I can see what buttons I'm working with and if they're working at all, and it's just working fine. And this is the exposed wireless controller, and well, it's not technically exposed wireless controller, it's just detecting as such. And I can also test my circularity. So yeah, my average error is 0.5, 0.6, and you can see my axis is 0.0002, which is very low. So this actually has a Hall sensor inside the sticks, and that's why the numbers look so low. And I can also test my vibration, and if your controller has vibration, it will vibrate, and mine just did. So yeah, that's how you can test your controllers on Windows PC machines. And thank you everyone for watching this video, and if you think this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing to our channel, and I will see you in the next video. And also, if you want to see more videos on Delicate, you can always comment below and I will see to that. Thank you.